The Lincoln County Opioid Task Force works to reduce substance abuse harm and to prevent it before it even happens. I stopped by to learn more from a coordinator about the work they do. In 2024, the Lincoln County Opioid Task Force was created because of the National Opioid Settlement. Aaron Ray, a task force grant coordinator, says the settlement is a series of multi-billion-dollar agreements between many U.S. state and local governments and major pharmaceutical companies because of the improper marketing or selling of opioids.
Lincoln County entered into the settlement agreement and is awarded a chunk of money based off of a calculation that's far too difficult to understand. But basically, the task force was created to figure out how to appropriately disperse those funds.
30% of the funding from the settlement stayed at the state level to produce grants and other initiatives, while for counties and tribal nations, the remaining 70% will go to them. The settlement has a layout of exactly how task forces can spend the funds regarding prevention, treatment, recovery, and harm reduction. The Lincoln County Task Force identified some of the need in the community by analyzing community surveys and data such as arrests and overdoses.
From there, we started looking at those different recommendations and prioritizing, because it's limited funding, looking at school-based programming, and is there a stronger prevention program that we can introduce into the schools? Getting the community involved.
Recently, the task force received $50,000 from Vital Strategies, an organization focused on public health, to match $50,000 of the settlement funding for an educational campaign.
Just really trying to educate around naloxone, more commonly known as Narcan. That's the brand name, so it's an overdose reversal medication.
While Ray is working to help the crisis, she hopes to see more people talking about the issue.
So many people are afraid of what others might think of them if they're a substance user, if their family member's a substance user, that it doesn't get talked about, and it prevents people from seeking that help in the treatment.
The Lincoln County Task Force recently started a new grant program called Community Mini Grants that will help combat the opioid crisis in area communities, with applications ending on February 20th. Reporting in Merrill, I'm Christopher Bouchon, Newswatch 12.